Windshield sunshades are nothing new, but with a Tesla Cybertruck and the monster size of the windshield, is using a conventional sunshade even possible? With Teslaunch's Cybertruck Sunshade, the answer is yes. When installed correctly, the sunshade provides complete coverage and allows for increased privacy and reduced cabin temperatures on a sunny day. If you've used a quick folding sunshade for any other car, then you'll know how the Teslaunch Sunshade works. It opens and closes in seconds with a simple twisting motion, with the only difference being the sheer size of the sunshade compared to pretty much any other vehicle. Teslaunch includes a handy storage bag that you can use to easily store the sunshade when not in use. In order to secure the sunshade to the windshield, it isn't that different from a similar sunshade for almost any other car. You use a combination of a Velcro strap that goes around the rearview mirror and the sun visors, which are folded down to secure the sunshade in place. The one difference we noted when folding the sunshade is that you need to step outside of the Cybertruck to fold it, as the sheer size of the sunshade made it almost impossible to do inside the vehicle. If you'd like to get a Teslaunch Sunshade for your own Cybertruck, there's a link in the description below, and if you use our discount code, you'll get a percentage off of the purchase price. If you've made it this far in the video, thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.